Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you are not able to pin the any app on your taskbar, so this video is for you. I will show how to troubleshoot this issue guys. So simply, if you are not able to drag and drop the application here, you can search here like Google and right click on it. Do not open it, just make a right click on it and you will see pin to start or pin to taskbar. So this is the first method. If this method is not working and you already know this process guys, so let's open the CMD. Sometime Windows corruption can cause this issue. Type here sfc space / scan now. This will repair the Windows corruption inside your Windows, and once it is executed you have to restart your system and check back if that fixed your issue or not. If you have still issue guys, there is some issue with your Windows update, so you can go to this option, then click on settings, and once you go to setting guys, you need to make sure that you are up to date here, Windows update, and your Windows should be up to date. If it is not, just click on check for update and install all the packages, pending packages, and after that your issue should fix if the issue was related to Windows update. If this also doesn't fix your issue guys, let's open the group policy, but this will work on only the pro version. Simply open it, and once you open this, we need to go to the user configuration, then you need to go to the Windows setting, administrative templates, then click on desktop. Not desktop, you need to click on the start menu and taskbar. Now inside here we need to look for the two options here basically guys. Press D on your keyboard and look for don't allow. This option, do not allow pinging the store apps to the taskbar. Make a double click on it and make sure it is not configured. Okay, if it is enabled, you are not able to do any pin steps in the taskbar, so make sure it is not configured. Click on apply. One another setting is to this option, do not allow pinging the programs to taskbar. Make sure both are not configured here. Once you have selected both are not configured here, restart your system and check back if that fixed the issue or not. So these are the fixes guys to fix the issue. If you have still issue, then you can restore your system or reset your PC. So I hope this video helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.